Mambo Barzaleo. Welcome back to Steeton in Yorkshire. We still have the view. It's not too bad to wake up to, is it? We had quite an eventful night. Ezekiel woke up shouting his head off in the middle of the night. I think he was a bit unsure of where he was, so pretty tired this morning, but quite excited for our walk. First we've got to head to the shop to buy some supplies for lunch and stuff, so we will see you there. Tesco's! Finished at the shops, we are refueled and the weather is starting to look a bit dodgy, but we are ever hopeful. Now we're off to Ingleton Waterfalls Trail. See you there. Welcome to the Ingleton Waterfalls Trail. Now the kids have got a challenge to do some paper rubbing. This is currently doing number one there. At the end they get a prize. Ezekiel here, chilling out. Just a wave. Been coming across these trees which have got coins wedged into them. Apparently it brings you good luck. Oh look, what's this? We found a boy stranded on a stone in the middle of the lake. Shall we go and rescue him?
Yeah!
Don't worry Luca, I'm coming to get you. Hopefully I don't fall in this raging river. Do you think we're going to make it safely across, Luca?
Yeah!
Give me your hand, I'll rescue you. No.
Come on, step in the stone.
Where are you? Are you having fun?
Okay, you make it back to dry land. How do you feel?
Good. Cherry didn't have it on.
How's it going, Chelu?
Good.
What's been your favourite so far?
Going on the steps.
On the steps. How's it going, Mama?
Good.
Whoa!
How's it going, Luca?
Good.
You having a good time?
Yeah.
What are you enjoying?
Taking pictures.
You're not taking any pictures. How have the waterfalls been?
You liked the view, didn't you? This side.
Yeah.
You like the view here, do you?
And over there.
Remember, gently. Gently. Yeah. Move your head. Keep going. Gently.
On the way round for our walk, Luca has been collecting 10 rubbings, and Chelly has been collecting 10 rubbings. And now we're going to go and take them to the office and get them a prize. So we have finished our 4.5 hour, 4.5 mile walk around the waterfalls. The guys have collected their 10 rubbings at the post on the way round. And what have you got as your prize?
A medal!
A medal. Can we see one? What was your favourite part about the whole walk?
Touching the water.
Touching the water. Was it hot or cold?
Cold.
That's it. We're finished finally. Very enjoyable, very long, very tired. Now we're going to get back in the car and go back. We have made it back. Absolutely shattered. Everyone's chilling out. Especially Ezekiel, who's been sat in that baby carrier all day. He's enjoying his little bit of freedom. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. Give it a fat thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already down below. And we'll catch you next time. Aqui com Noeza, Tutonana.